Hello, and welcome to a very special edition of the BodyMaitre Podcast. I'm Derek. We are standing at the threshold. 2025 is closing and 2026 is opening. In the BodyMaitre system, we don't believe in just making resolutions. Resolutions are often just the mental body trying to force the physical body to change. Instead, to truly usher in the new year, we need to do two things. First, we must clear the container. We need to release the energetic weight of the past year from our cells, emotions, and mind. And second, we must calibrate our frequency. We need to tell our four bodies exactly what vibration we want to hold for 2026. This guided meditation is designed to be your bridge. We are going to leave the density of the old year behind and step into the new year with clarity and lightness. Let's cross this threshold together. Find a comfortable space. Let's begin. Before we begin, let us gently create a sacred container for this transition. I invite your higher self, your spiritual guides, and the energies of new beginnings to be present with us now. Please surround this space with protection. Assist us in releasing the old cycle and anchoring the new timeline for 2026. Now, allow yourself to arrive. Take a deep breath in and a long, slow exhale out. Imagine you are standing on a bridge. Behind you is the landscape of 2025. Ahead of you is the landscape of 2026. For a moment, simply stand in the middle, the 0 point. Turn your awareness gently backward toward 2025. We are going to harvest the wisdom, but leave the weight. Connect with your physical body. Think of the tiredness, the aches, or the stress it carried this year. Silently say, "Thank you for carrying me. I release the fatigue of 2025 now." See that heavy energy falling off your body like old dust. Connect with your emotional body. Think of the fears, the disappointments, or the anxieties of the past year. You don't need to analyze them, just acknowledge they happened. Silently say, "I harvest the lessons and I release the emotions. I am done with this cycle." Feel a cool breeze sweep through your emotional field, clearing the air. Connect with your mental body. Think of the worries, the overthinking, the plans that didn't work out. Silently say, "I release the confusion. I release the doubt. I clear my mind for the new." Now, turn your body around, face forward, look toward the landscape of 2026. It is fresh, it is unwritten, it is waiting for your frequency. We are going to calibrate your four bodies for this new timeline. Ask your physical body, how do you want to feel in 2026? Vitality, strength, ease. Imagine that feeling entering your cells right now. Ask your emotional body, what is the dominant vibration for 2026? Joy, peace, excitement? Let that color fill your heart space. Ask your mental body, what is the focus for 2026? Clarity, purpose, creation. Feel your mind becoming sharp and bright like a laser. And finally, connect with your spiritual body. Imagine a golden light coming down from above, sealing this new vibration into your aura. You are not walking into 2026 the same way you walked into 2025. You are lighter, you are wiser, and you are aligned. Visualize yourself taking a step forward, crossing the threshold, stepping firmly onto the timeline of 2026. It is done. It is done. It is done. When you are ready, bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the fresh energy in your hands and feet. You are ready for the new year. Thank you for joining me for this activation. Energetic transitions are powerful. By consciously releasing the old year, you ensure that you aren't dragging old baggage into your new opportunities. I want to wish you a magnificent 2026. May your four bodies be healthy, balanced, and aligned with your highest purpose. We have so much planned for the BodyMaitre channel in the coming year. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now so we can continue this journey together. Happy New Year! I'm Derek, and I will see you in 2026.